The avocado, nature's secret weapon for energy, vitality, and longevity. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age more slowly, stay active longer, and maintain sharp minds well into their 80s or 90s? The answer isn't found in expensive treatments or miracle pills. It often begins with what they eat. And there's one fruit in particular that stands out as a silent ally of long life, vibrant health, and powerful inner energy: the avocado. Yes, the humble avocado. Most of us know it as a trendy toast topping or a guacamole essential. But behind that creamy green flesh lies a nutritional force unlike any other. It's not just food, it's natural medicine. Avocados have been revered by ancient cultures for thousands of years. The Aztecs called it the fruit of fertility and prized it for both its energizing properties and healing power. And today, modern science is finally catching up, revealing just how extraordinary this fruit truly is. Let's start with what's inside. One single avocado contains nearly 20 essential vitamins and minerals, everything from potassium and magnesium to folate and vitamin K, but that's just the beginning. What makes the avocado truly unique is its high content of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are not only beneficial, they're essential. They reduce bad cholesterol, improve circulation, nourish the brain, and help regulate inflammation throughout the body. If you're over 40, inflammation is one of your biggest enemies. It creeps in quietly, through joints, muscles, even your gut, and slowly chips away at your vitality. But the natural compounds in avocados, like oleic acid and phytosterols, are powerful anti-inflammatories. They protect your cells, reduce oxidative stress, and allow your body to heal more effectively. And that's just the beginning. Avocados are also packed with fiber. Just one avocado can deliver 10 grams or more of dietary fiber, which is critical for gut health, metabolic function, and blood sugar balance. A healthy gut supports everything, from better immunity and mood to clearer skin and weight regulation. And speaking of weight, let's debunk a myth: eating avocados doesn't make you gain fat. In fact, studies show the opposite. The healthy fats and fiber keep you full longer, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce cravings. People who eat avocados regularly often have healthier weights and better metabolic markers than those who don't. But the power of the avocado doesn't stop with the body, it deeply supports the brain. Your brain is made mostly of fat, and it needs the right kind to function at its best. Avocados deliver a rare combination of healthy fats, vitamin E, and lutein, a potent antioxidant that protects against cognitive decline and supports memory, focus, and mental clarity. In fact, research has shown that regular avocado consumption can enhance attention and working memory in adults. It's no surprise that this fruit is often included in the diets of those who seek not only a long life, but a sharp, alert mind until the end. Let's go even deeper. Did you know avocados contain compounds that can naturally balance hormones? This is especially important for women going through menopause, or for anyone experiencing fatigue, brain fog, or mood swings. The healthy fats in avocados are used by your body to synthesize key hormones, like estrogen and testosterone, helping you feel more balanced, energized, and emotionally stable. There's more. Avocados are rich in glutathione, a master antioxidant that your body uses to detoxify and protect cells from aging. Glutathione is linked to liver health, immunity, and longevity. It's no exaggeration to say that avocados are one of the most powerful anti-aging foods on the planet. And here's a hidden benefit that few people talk about: the skin of the avocado holds even more antioxidants than the flesh. While we don't usually eat the skin, extracts from it are now being studied for their potential to prevent degenerative diseases and cellular aging. But this isn't just about nutrients, it's about daily impact. When you add avocado to your regular meals, something changes. Your energy levels begin to stabilize. Your focus sharpens. Your digestion improves. You recover faster from exercise. Your skin glows. Your joints feel smoother. And, perhaps most importantly, you begin to feel younger, not just in appearance, but in vitality. That's the magic of a food that's in perfect harmony with the human body. The best part: avocados are incredibly versatile. Add them to smoothies for creaminess and nutrition. Spread them on toast with olive oil and herbs. Slice them into salads, tacos, or grain balls. Or simply eat them by the spoonful with a sprinkle of sea salt and lemon. And if you're serious about longevity, pair your avocado with other power foods, like turmeric, spirulina, or leafy greens, to create synergistic meals that don't just feed you, but truly fortify you. If you're still treating the avocado as a side dish or an occasional treat, it's time to upgrade your thinking. This is not just food. This is functional fuel for a longer, stronger, and more vibrant life. Aging is natural. Decline is not. Make avocado a part of your daily strategy to thrive, not just survive. It's one small habit that can lead to big transformation. And if this resonated with you, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I choose to nourish my body for a strong and conscious life.